just want to conversate and collect the money. And I think I can do it with this one. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me the students to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and the girl got her Wawa today, because y'all know the deal. Okay, y'all know what's going on. We are in our intermittent fasting window because it's a little early, but later on today, I'm getting that sugar wine. You hear me? As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their chestnut brown Burmese curly finger coil unit. I got it in 7x5 parting space, 180% density, and 20 inches. This is what she's looking like after the wash, because we are using the WD2F method on this wig. Wash, define, diffuse, and fluff. So step one, wash. We did that. Let's go ahead and get this wig prepped for my head. Let me see, what do I need? I need the powder. I need the powder. I don't use lace tint spray, I just use my makeup. So I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm using a mixture of the contour and sculpt color to blend down my lace. Put that around the edge of the lace. I don't really care for the inside of the lace or the back of the lace because I don't know how I'm gonna wear this unit. I think I'm gonna wear it in a middle part, but kind of have it kind of full and fluffy around my face. We'll see. This wig does come with the attached elastic band as well as the adjustable straps, a comb in the back. No combs on the side, the silicone nape grip around the edges, and the drawstring in the back with the lock. Okay, so make sure you are using that to secure your wig down to your head for a glueless finish. Let's put it on. How's she fitting? Feels pretty comfy. My head is 23 gang gang. Okay, she big up in here. So this is how it's fitting on my head. With my glasses up around my ear, and then the drawstring in the back. I could tighten it a little bit, just kind of keep it down. Not by much though. This is how that hairline is looking. Do I have any short pieces in here? Not really. I can kind of make some, just pull some of these out that I can use around my edges. Again, all personal preference. Use my Nairobi mousse around the edges. This is a mold, not a hold, okay? Swishy swish. It's a 7x5, so you're not getting a bunch of lace from ear to ear. It stops on me right here. So the rest of that is a track. This is a track. They did send me a band, so let's wrap that down. The hair is really soft after the wash. Comb the hair out really quick. At 20 inches, it looks pretty good, but I do want to trim my ends just to make sure they're gonna pop just a little bit, not too much. My front is long, like it's a little layer in here, but not too much. So I do want to just trim this about here and bring it up to about there. Let's see, we got this one here and the ends right here. I could also add some layers up in here. Let's see, out there. Okay, so now on step 2, define. Use my mousse, put the mousse all over. Now as you can see, the ends are not finger coiled because those are not a texture. They have to put those in the wig. If you want finger coils on the ends of your wig, you gotta put them back in there after you wash it. If you want them right out the pack, you can't wash your wig, okay? You can spray her down with a little dry shampoo to help with that smell, use some hair perfume, but as far as them staying in the wig, once you wash the wig, they're gone. I didn't get no tangling with my wash. I did get some shedding though. Use my finger and coil the ends like that. Again, if you want the finger coils after the wash, you gotta do them yourself. Can comb this. Make sure I get my root, coil that around. I'm gonna do my other side, and then we're gonna move on to step 3, which is diffusing. I saw a girl do this and I want to try it. She used a wide tooth comb to fluff her hair, and she said, or at least she claimed, that it fluffs out a lot better than the pick. So we're gonna see. I don't want to disturb the curls too much, so I want to kind of bring it up like this, give it a little bit more body around the wig. I feel like it's working already. Okay, maybe because it's a wider space or something, maybe, but it seems to be working. Still a little damp under here. I gotta get my blow dryer up there. The hair is very soft. Take off the band so I can see how the hairline is looking before I finish up my fluff. Ooh, looking good. Again, it's a mold, not a hold. So y'all see how they're kind of molded? I like it. Take off my clips. I want a little higher lift in my front. I mean, I could use some bobby pins to kind of hold this back. Kind of hold it back here. Because the hair is very lightweight, I'm gonna use a little bit of my volume hairspray to finish out the look. This is 180% density, my goodness. Here is the final look, y'all. She looks so good. I want to keep the install really simple, and I know when I start slicing and dicing, y'all be like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't do all that. So I wanted to make sure that what I did, y'all could do. Adding the bobby pins will add some lift around your wig, whether it's bobby pins or a headband, just to give a little shape around your face without cutting your unit. But normally for 20 inches and above, you're not really getting any layers in the hair. For some reason, 18 inches, you start getting layers around the front and around the back. So that's kind of why I like the 18 inches on me, because I don't got to cut anything. Still, the 20 inch came out really well, as you can see. Okay, she looks good. Even though the hairline and the lace is straight across, it is plucked really well, as you can see, and just cutting some of that hair in the front and then moving it down gave me a really nice hairline. This wig with my coupon code is $158. Yeah. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Like I already told y'all, I did get some shedding with my unit, and to alleviate that shedding or to lessen my shedding over time, I will probably not wash this wig again for another year. Not probably, I won't. If you check out my wig update playlist, I show you exactly how my wigs look after about a year. They look a little rough sometimes, but my frontal not bald, okay, so I ain't worried about it. To help in between washes, I will go in with my dry shampoo to keep it clean, and then I'll go in with some water to touch up any curls that may be too frizzy. So say like this one gets a little bit too unruly, I will spray it down with some water, and then I'll go in with my mousse. For this wig, I use this mousse. So I'll go in with my mousse, spot check it, recoil it, dry it down, and that's it. You can make these wigs last if you want them to. If you are wearing your wig every day and you are washing it every week, you are decreasing the lifespan of your wig. That's why I always tell you guys to make sure you have a good arsenal of wigs. You have at least 5 wigs. You can rotate them every other day, every 2 days, whatever. That will make your wigs last. I also do not sleep in my wigs. Okay, they come off, which is why it's nice that I can wear my wigs glueless, no glue, because once you start putting that glue on that lace, it can deteriorate your lace, especially if you're not cleaning it. You know we lazy. You tear up that lace real quick. Glueless is where I like to be, unless I have to use a little bit of my spray. It comes off of water and dish soap. Easy to clean. I know it's gonna flip out even bigger the more I wear her, which I'll probably wear her all weekend, so don't be surprised if you see me outside in this one. The neighbors will, so you might. And that color is just, so pretty. I really like that ombre effect for that chestnut brown. It's all the way around the wig, so all the ends get the chestnut brown. All the ends are dipped. Thank you. I have no complaints whatsoever about this wig. BeautyForeverHair is a more affordable brand. Y'all know I call them fast fashion sometimes. No ding against them, but they have stepped up what they offer you as far as the quality of their products. This is a $158 wig. Do not expect it to act like a $458 wig. It ain't gonna do it. Once you start understanding what you're getting for your price point, no complaints. I need a daddy pawpaw. My funds is gone, okay? They low. I just wanna conversate and collect. the money. And I think I can do it with this one. Shout out one more time to BeautyForeverHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.